Hi everyone, here we've got TCL 20 SE and let me share with you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on the system. Here we've got backup option, let's tap on it, and right now this option is off, so simply tap on the switcher to turn it on and tap on account right under it. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation, and from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do this. Okay, let's tap on next. Now let's enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so just tap on it if you'd like to check the info. Let's get it back and tap on I agree. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so let's tap on accept simply, and we should see the list of all of the things what the backup includes. So the backup, your device will backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. So let's tap on OK. And let's get back. And as you can see, we just successfully added our backup account to this device. So from now on, all the content will be stored on your Google Drive. Here you've got also the option in which you can decide if you want to backup the data using Wi-Fi only, and I highly recommend to leave it turned on. So actually that's all. This is how to enable Google Backup in your TCL 20 SE. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.